What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? Holy shit, that's an echo. Holy smokes, that's an echo off the back building and the fire department over here. But what is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. We have a really freaking cool review video on a product from my buddy Chandler here. He has a very nice forest green Camaro.
No, it's a Spring Flash edition.
Spring Flash edition Camaro.
Yeah.
Probably can't see him because the sunlight's to his back. That's okay. But so we have a product here to show you guys. Long time sponsor of the channel, obviously. Go check them out down in the description below. Boom! Huron Speed has come in clutch again from my buddy.
I'm so happy.
We went and purchased this Huron Speed turbo setup here. And he's going to do a little unboxing. He's never seen one of these. He's seen my car.
Yeah, I've seen your car.
He's seen mine setup and my setup, and he really liked what Huron Speed does and their fabrication skills over there at the shop. So he was like, "Get me one of those kits, Andy." And I was like, "No problem, buddy." So
got rid of that turbo system that was.
Yeah, I got rid of that. I don't know if you've seen that on the channel or not, but he had. Did I make a video about that?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, it made like, what did it make, like 500 or something like that?
It made 456 to the wheel.
Yeah,
That's turned
completely
down wastegate.
Yeah, way down wastegate.
But it made.
But it was a rear mounted turbo setup. It looked ugly as hell.
Yeah.
So he got rid of the rear mounted turbo setup, and I talked him into doing a Huron Speed turbo system instead. This is a front mounted 5th gen Camaro turbo system.
Yes.
Is what this is going to be. So it's going to look badass. So definitely subscribe to the channel and like this video and hit that notification bell, guys, because you're going to want to see this video come out. We're going to be doing some process with it. It's going to be a quick little install. These ain't all that hard to put in at all. So I'll have a video about that coming out, and obviously a dyno video to show what this system does on a stock Camaro. Now the cool thing about this, guys, is Camaros nowadays are going for how much? How much is a 5th gen Camaro going?
$18,025.
Yeah, 18-20 grand for an SS Camaro. Yep. And then you go and spend, I think this costs what, about $45,000 to $5,000 or something like that with turbo. Like, this is a complete kit turbo. Don't quote me on that price. If you want to know the price, you got to put this is a specific kit put together, but you can have different options on yours that are going to fluctuate the price of the system for your car. But you can buy a $20,000 Camaro, spend maximum, I think, of about $44,000 to $5,000 for the kit, give or take your options.
It should be pushing 6.
Yeah, it should be around 6 on whatever boost we decided, maybe 10 or 12 pounds, something like that, which is pretty badass to have a $25,000 investment that makes 600 horse or 550 horse or whatever. That's better than the heads and cam setup.
People don't understand. 600 horsepower on a street driven car, that's a lot of.
It is. It's power. A lot, and then yours is automatic too.
Yeah,
so if it makes 600 automatic, it's going to be
yeah,
gonna be some power at the wheels. Oh yeah, that's for sure.
You don't get out of boost at all.
It's just constant boost. Yep. Well, let's get some of these boxes open so we can show these people what this stuff looks like.
I'm happy.
Razor blades over there, buddy. He has not seen any of this stuff yet, guys. So this is all new to him. Well, you can always, I guess, open the intercooler first.
All right.
Definitely want to show you guys how well the Huron Speed stuff is.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Look at that. That is a nice intercooler.
Oh, yeah.
That's their 4-inch thick intercooler there.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, got their little insignia on the top. Check that out. Representing.
That's
badass, dude.
Some IT.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm not even going to take that out. Save that for later.
Save that for later.
There, put that back on.
And then obviously we have, I think this is the hot side right here. This box is the hot side. I think that's the cold side. Yeah. Do whatever you want to do, man. It's your stuff. You bought it, not me, boss. Look at that. Wow, check this out. Wow. Interesting.
Set that right there.
Got your turbo blanket there. That's awesome.
Oil drain. Already got AM fittings on it.
Yeah, already ready to go. This is literally 110% bolted together.
Yeah.
That's what's so nice about these Huron Speed kits is you literally just bolt them together and that's it.
Got some exhaust wrap?
Yep, sends the exhaust wrap with you and everything.
It's
Look at that.
100 feet right there.
Yeah, that shit ain't cheap either.
I was about to order that.
I was gonna say that's expensive stuff, man.
That's like $100 worth of
yeah,
right there.
and then you get it in the kit.
Oh,
There's your up pipe with your blow off valve.
Yeah, with the blow off valve.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Looks like 2.5 inch too.
Just look at the welds on it too.
Yeah.
Like I'm a welder and I can tell if it's good welds. Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Look at that. There's where your MAF goes right there.
So I guess this would be.
That's your throttle body, yeah. And that goes down. That's what that should be, technically.
And I could powder coat this too.
You could, yeah. There's all your rubbers. There's all your rubbers.
Yeah, you gotta have rubbers.
You gotta have all your rubbers there. And then you obviously get everything, man. Look at this. Like, oh, here's your bracketry for your intercooler and stuff.
Okay. This wrought
Yep. All powder coated already for you. Look at that.
Comes with all the springs to hold the turbo blankets.
Yeah, that's for the turbo. Check that out. All right, next box. We have some relocating spark plug wires.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
MSD too.
Oh, yeah, are they MSD?
Yeah,
oh, wow,
MSD.
look at that. Oh, dang. Look at that.
Big boys too.
They ain't no joke.
No, that's good stuff.
I'm going to assume we have to relocate the coil packs for this setup, maybe. I'm assuming. I could be wrong unless we just reroute them and keep them away from the manifolds. You know what I'm saying?
This is a boost reference kit.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it's not
all your
plastic,
piping, all your hoses.
It's all AN stuff.
Oh, is it AN?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. It is AN.
Metal.
Wow.
Yeah.
A lot of kits come with plastic T-fittings. This is AN.
Look, that's actually AN
That's
stuff.
all AN
It's
fittings.
got thread.
Wow, check that out. We got a tractor going down the road. That's what the turbo's for.
Blow-off valve.
There's your blow-off valve.
Oh yeah, that's. What is this? 50 mil?
I think it might be. It should say on the box. 44 mil, 50 mil, maybe. Where's the sticker at? No sticker.
No, it just got that.
50.
Yeah, 50.
Yeah, 50. Looks like it's a 50.
Yeah, nice and.
I think that's what I got. I got 2 of those on my car. Look at that. Very well done, put together stuff, man.
Yeah, like everything's.
Tell you what, guys. Look at that.
Oh, I guess
that's in case you want to weld that on. You don't have to.
Yeah, because it's already on the pipe.
It's already on there.
Well, if I ever get more power, then I can use this
and weld another one and get another blow-off valve. Yeah. That's your wastegate.
Is it?
I'm telling you, that's your wastegate. How much you want bet? Yep, that's your wastegate.
That's the wastegate.
What was that? 40. 46 mil, maybe. I don't know. That's hard to say.
Yeah, no, that's the wastegate.
That might be a 44 mil.
Huron Speed wastegate.
44. Yep, that's a 44.
Can we just put all the springs in?
We are not putting all the springs in.
All the springs.
Negative, Ghost Rider. Negative.
All the springs.
Negative.
No, I plan on running a boost controller eventually.
Yeah, you're going to a dial of death.
Yeah.
That's what you need, a dial of death.
Yep. Yeah, no, that's good quality too. It's all billet on top.
Dude, I'm telling you, I love my kit, man. My kit's badass. Wait till you see the welds on the hot side.
On the hot side?
Yeah, wait till we pop open the hot side box and you see the welds on the hot side, dude. You're gonna be like, oh my god, this is the most beautiful thing. You've never seen the welds on mine because mine's all ceramic coated. Yeah, I've got mine all ceramic coated, so you've never seen the welds on the actual raw piping. All right, final box, well, other than the turbo, but the hot side piping. This is where Huron Speed really shines, guys, is this hot side piping. Wait till you see this, Chandler.
Oh,
nice packing. Look at that. Ho ho ho.
Ooh.
Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho, buddy. Look at that. Check that shit out.
I'm sorry, it's like Christmas morning right now.
What's that?
It's like Christmas morning.
Wait till you see how well this is done. You're gonna be like, my god, this is a thing of beauty.
Oh wow.
Dude, check that shit out. Look at that.
That's some thick exhaust pipe.
And then it's even machined inside. He grinds away the inside so there's no obstructions.
Oh, nice and smooth.
Yep. I'm telling you, man, Huron Speed's the place to be. Huron Speed's the place to be.
Yeah, Huron Speed.
And then you got your manifolds. You're basically a log style manifold.
Which ain't nothing wrong with that.
No, they work. Log style manifolds work. Honestly, what I would do is I prefer to see these ceramic coated, but I don't think you're going to be able to get that. You might not be able to get that done in time. But it would be cool to see them ceramic coated. Look at that.
Huron Speed
Look
branded
at that.
right on it.
That is badass, dude. That is so cool.
And
That's
like,
exactly what my manifolds look like too and everything. I love them.
dude, it's like perfect.
I know. I'm telling you, man. Fucking, they know what they're doing over there.
Oh,
They know what they're doing, man. Premier Turbo said, look at the flange on that thing.
oh yeah.
It's like a half inch thick fucking flange.
That's what I'm thinking, if I should get new bolts, unless it comes.
No, they come with
no,
everything.
It does.
Dude, dude, this kit is 110% complete. Like, you don't have to buy nothing. Everything that is here that you need.
This is the best bang for the buck right here.
Yeah, I know.
News also.
Gaskets. Now, me personally, I wouldn't use those gaskets.
No, I'm getting the
personally.
layered gaskets.
Just get the layered ones. They work. They work better than them.
Spending what? $30.
Are there layered ones in there, or are they just no?
No, dude.
Okay.
You got your turbo gasket.
Yep.
And your wastegate.
Okay.
Gasket. But
Yeah, you got. Look at them
bolts.
beautiful bolts and everything, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's a badass kit. I'm telling you.
It's not much to it.
No.
Like that's the crazy part. Like
Not much to it, and there is a lot to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like the quality of the build is amazing.
my question is,
You could put this together in your garage in a weekend,
Yeah.
technically. There's your downpipe.
yep, there's a downpipe that goes down. I guess that's for
Yeah, then that's O2 a wideband.
probably a wideband.
Yeah. Very
That's
nice.
my next question. Where does O2s go?
In this pipe probably.
This pipe?
Yeah. There's gonna be bungs in one of them.
And this.
I mean, and then there's your Y pipe for the rear.
Yep.
That way it goes right into your stock exhaust system, dude.
But I'm not doing a stock exhaust.
Yeah, well, we know that, but I'm just saying, if you had a stock exhaust system, that would be where it would go.
Yep.
It would go right there.
There's your O2.
There's your bong. There's one bong.
Yeah, let the people see.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a 100% complete kit,
Oh,
man.
look at that.
That's your, yeah, look at that. Look
Perfect
at
ground
that,
down.
dude. Tell me that ain't the
This
coolest.
is your crossover pipe.
That's your crown. That's where the bungs are.
Yep.
For your
So-
O2s. So you're good to go.
It goes just like that. Turbo sits, I guess, underneath.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah, no, we'll
We'll know. I think, yeah, it looks like it does sit like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not gonna, unless, yeah, it's not gonna sit like that. So it's gonna be. It looks like it's gonna be a hanging turbo setup.
You got
Nice.
your V-band
All your
brackets.
brackets, V-brand brackets, everything. Yeah. Good to go. All right. The final part has literally shown up. Chandler's been literally like just waiting here for this freaking part to show up for this.
Yep.
The completion of the turbo kit, which is what?
the turbo.
The turbo. Now everyone's patiently waiting. You're taking your damn time.
All right.
He's literally been here all day just waiting on a turbo. Just so he can see a turbo.
Well, while you open it, at least see what it is.
It's a box in a box.
It's a box in a box. What's in the box?
It's what's the Russian thing? The little Russian dolls.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what you're talking. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
While he opens that, what size is it?
Right now, you need to add a clip of the SpongeBob.
A few minutes later.
A few minutes later. There's a bike. Look at that.
You missed the good part.
There we seen a bike. Ooh, looky.
Would you look at that?
What if that plastic just ripped and it just dropped to the ground? Just went, broop.
Bro, don't fucking jinx it. Oh shit.
Oh, probably. Oh. Zip tie.
Oh, right to the fins.
Yeah. You would think.
He's definitely taking a finger off. So this, I think this is a 78 mil.
Yeah, it's a 78, 75.
78, 75 VS Racing Turbo. Ooh, look at that!
Look at that spinny boy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the fins are built.
Look at the hot side.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking at.
Look at that. That's a nice hot side.
So would you look at that?
I would powder coat that too.
Powder coat this?
I'd take that
color?
off and powder coat it.
What, black?
Same color as his car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That'd be cool.
yeah. Well,
Oh,
there's your
yeah.
turbo, buddy. We only waited 5
day.
hours
Yeah.
for it to show up.
Shit, you guys been waiting that long?
Well, he's been waiting. I've been doing other shit. He's been fucking dicking around.
Doing shit.
Just had his dick in his hand.
Wow, demonetized.
Oh, shit.
Unbelievable.
His D in
Oh
his
yeah,
hand.
VS racing.
Well, guys, there's the completed Huron Speed turbo system for your 5th gen 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS. Or if you want to take your ZL1 and convert it to a turbo setup and not a supercharged setup, you could also put it on a ZL1
Oh
too.
yeah, yeah.
Or
Yeah.
you can just leave the supercharger and put the turbo in it.
You definitely could. You could also do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might as well. Oh yeah.
All right, guys, we're going to end this video. Just a nice little review video for this turbo system. Like I said, link in the description below if you want to check out Huron Speed. They have all kinds of really, really awesome products. And we have some, sorry about the wind noise if you hear wind noise, but we also have a secret little project going on with Ghost right now that we're working with Huron Speed about as well. And hopefully in the future, you'll be seeing a video on that. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, and look out for future videos on that Camaro with the turbo system. You guys are going to be pretty interested in it. So, deuces.